It is Prime Day, and you know what? Who doesn't love toys? Maybe you have a little kid in the house, maybe you have grandkids, and especially in an emergency situation, you want to have some toys to keep them occupied. And Prime Day is the perfect time to pick these up. I'll link them all below. Here's some toys you might want to take a look at. First up, for only $8, a huge pack, 100 pack of glow sticks. Excellent. You know, it makes kids very relaxed when the power's out. And keep creativity going in your household for $42 for a classic Lego set. I like this because you have to use this thing, oh yeah, your imagination to make stuff, and simply having pre-made stuff all the time doesn't always work. These are great. And maybe you have to do a little bit of traveling. Fine, why not? It's $144 for an electric scooter. Very cool. We bought a pack of these and we're amazed at how much our kids love them. $70 for Picasso Tiles, 128 piece. It's a race car set. This is a great set for kids and keeps them entertained for hours. And we also have a bunch of these for $14. They're little 10-inch LCD writing tablets. They're really cool. You write on them in the colors, then you just press this button at the bottom and it clears it out. Again, keep your kids entertained with creativity and art. Okay, I had to put this in. My daughters love theirs. It's a huge, majestic mansion wooden dollhouse. Going back old school, it's out of wood, which is really nice. It is quality for $161. And I had to show this too. I bought one of these for one of my sons for his birthday, $23. I was skeptical, but oh my gosh, it works so well and it is so much fun. Really easy to fly. It is a nice little kid's drone. Fantastic. There you go. Kids' toys, always good to have. And on Prime Day, you get it cheaper. I'll link them all below. We're Amazon affiliates. We get a portion of your sale. We say thank you for that. But your price doesn't change, but it helps fund our channel. We always keep our channels free for you, and this helps us out. So I hope you found these advantageous, or I hope you're going to get some of these for your kids or grandkids. Fantastic items. If so, which one did you buy for them, or maybe for you? I'll keep it between us. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.